Okay guys, here we have the A1 stereo earphones. I already took the plastic off of the box that it was packaged in. Let's unbox it here. Come on now. There we are. Sorry, one fell out. One of the earphones fell out. There we are. So here we have the ear caps, or the little silicone rubber material pieces that you put on the earbuds that you can switch out interchangeably for your comfort level. And then there you have the charger cable, and here are the earphones, and it comes with a handy charging case that apparently can hold enough juice to charge the earphones up to 4 times. So that's pretty cool. Alright, there we are. That's what it looks like there. Pretty sleek. Okay, there we go. Let's see what this looks like here. There we have the charging cable for the case, and I'm sure there's going to be a bag for the ear caps. There you go. Okay guys, I'm going to let you hear the sound now. It's at maximum volume, by the way. It wasn't set that way at first, so heads up. When you receive them, you might have to get used to operating the earbuds because it's touch sensitive, so it might take a while to get used to and to adjust to knowing exactly how to do it without accidentally pushing pause or play or fast forwarding the song or reversing the song. But you know, you'll catch on. You'll get the hang of it. Okay, here we go. Alright, now I'm going to bring one closer to the mic. Okay, further away.